I have standing on the existing protocol. I have one word for all of us here. I happen to be part of the team that initiated the kind of rise investment between Lagos and Kebbi states that's called Lake Rise. And when we started that discussion when I was then a special advisor to the former governor on small and medium enterprise, we started that process. We could not finish it. When the former government of Atiku Bagudu and Olabode and the former governor of Lagos State, Ambode, opened up and started it. Unfortunately, we left that to government and it failed. It failed because we left the business to government only. I urge this noble gathering, as entrepreneurs, there are lots of things that we will do to a kind of develop not only one region, but look at the other regions and what they can do to other regions. Then we come together so that we move this country forward. There are a lot of things, lot of agricultural and what another investments that we need each other for, not just political collaboration, but also business collaboration. So that's the best collaboration that will bring people together, and through that we can end the present situation that we are in of insecurity and other things. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.